Prasad from TTW URGC Boys Timlayapala. Day 20 Spoken English. Today we are going to learn WH question words and their meaning. Usually children think it's one of the easiest grammar points or technique of spoken English. We can know everything. But children, my sincere advice to you, listen it very carefully. You require to know some more techniques of using WH question words. Why should we first foremost we should know why should we use them. Let me explain these. First, look the headings. What are the headings there? Yeah. Mm, question word. How to use the word. Examples. As you all know, what, where, when, all these are the question words. But each word has one or more usages. Foremost, what? How to use. Asking for information about anything. If you want to ask information about anything, you need to use what? Look here. What is your age and what is your name? Here you are asking about the age of a particular person and the name of a particular person. So you want to know the information about a person. Okay. Again what? It has another usages also. Asking someone to repeat something or get confirmation. It means sometimes while listening we do not understand, or we understand but not confirm. You want to make it confirm, you need to use the question word what. Look, what? I missed that. Can you say it again please? So you want to know about again the information. You did what? For confirmation. Look here. What for? Asking for a reason. If you start a question, what for? Asking for a reason and asking why. Look here. What made you do that for? What made you do that for? Then its meaning is why did you do that work? Come back. When? Asking about time. Suppose you want to know the time of action, you need to use this when. Usually when is used in past tense and future tense. When did you leave this office? Yesterday. Here you want to ask one of the employees when he left the office yesterday. I left the office yesterday. Yeah. Where? Asking in or at what place or position. Here three things. Asking in particular place, or what place, or what is the position. For all these requirements you need to ask where. You need to start the question where. Where do they live? You want to know about their living place. Which? Asking about choice. For example, you went to a shop and want to buy, or you went to a restaurant and want to order food. Then you can use which color. Example, let me give one example. Which color do you want? Which recipe do you order? Which sweets do we buy? Like that. The very most important, who. Asking what are, which person or people. Who is used for subject, you need to remember this important. Asking what or which person, about a person, about people. But all these should come under the category of subject. Who opened the door? You know to know about the action done by who. Yeah, let's. Now, some more question words. It's whom. Now we have discussed about who tells about the subject, but whom tells about object. Look here. Asking what or which people or person, which person or people say, but it's object. The action done to whom, that is the important. Whom did you see? Here, you is the subject. Yeah, whom is somebody else. Whose? Whose always tells the possession, asking about ownership. Okay. Whose are these shoes? Whose books are these? Okay. Why? Knowing reason. Just we have discussed what for is nothing but why. Asking for reason, asking what for. Already told now. Yeah. Why do you say that? Why did he go there? Why do you come late regularly? All these are the questions knowing the reason, showing the reason. Why don't? Children, do you remember we have already discussed why don't? In giving suggestions. Yeah, yeah, exactly right. Giving suggestions. Making suggestions or giving suggestions. Why don't I help you? Why don't I take the help of my parents? Why don't I take these books from you? Yeah. How? Actually, how? Asking how to do something. Yeah. How does this work? How it works, you know. Again, how? Asking about someone's condition and quality. How is used in many ways. It's very important, you know, boys. Asking about someone's condition, quality. How was your test today? You want to know the test, about the test, the quality of test you have done. Yeah. Let me explain. Questions start with how. Sir, just only you told about the how, no? But how starts with in different way. Look here the heading. How plus adjective or adverb. Sometimes how is followed by adjective or adverb. In such cases, how can we use? Let me explain. How far, how long, how many, how much, how old, how come. Yeah. How far? Uses distance to a certain place. You want to know the certain place. Suppose you want to go Khammam from here. You can ask how far is Khammam from Tirumala. Yeah, that's right. How long? It shows the length, the time or space. All these. How long have they been studying? Okay. You want to know the time of their study. How many? It shows quantity, countables. One more thing I want to tell you, countable things, quantity. How many books do you have? Books is a countable noun. Book is a countable noun, you know, boys. How much? It shows quantity, but uncountable. You can't make them into plural. Uncountable means can't make them into plural. How much money do you have? Yeah. Next, how old? What is your age? If you want to know the age of a particular person or something, you can use how old. How old are you? Look here the example. How old are you? How come? It is generally used in informal, asking for reason, asking why. You can use why also. How come I can't see her? Okay. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you understand it's very well. Do practice all these question words and use in your regular speech. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.